Buy once and get paid every single month like clockwork. Pure passive income. Starting with my favorite, Main Street Capital. Pays just over 5% yield and has nice steady growth with monthly pay in dividends that you can take and reinvest back for the compounding effect. Realty Income Corporation. It's a REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust. This is a company that holds billions worth of real estate, and out of the rental income they give you a little piece. And currently the dividend rate is 5.6% and they pay monthly. I would just like to add that Main Street Capital has outperformed in terms of growth realty income. However, if you wanted to diversify your portfolio and get some exposure to real estate, Realty Income is one of the most popular REITs, real estate investment trusts out there. So we bought a share in Main Street Capital. We've bought some shares in a REIT, a real estate investment trust, to be exposed to some real estate. And to top it up, we can get Aegin High Yield Bond Fund. It has a Morningstar rating of 5 stars. Now, a bond is a loan that you give out to corporations or governments, and in return you get some interest. This particular one pays monthly and a yield of 6.2%. Bonds tend to be a lot safer, yet not as volatile, yet kind of limited in growth. However, this particular one has been doing really well. So by having Main Street Capital, Realty Income and Aegin High Yield Bond, you have 3 sources that will pay you passive income every single month. You can take those dividends and reinvest them back or take them out. So what's the catch? The catch is that you get what you put in. In other words, if you put in £1,000 with an average yield of about 5%, you'll be getting 50 quid's worth of passive income annually spread over 12 months. However, the idea here is that the dividends you get, you can reinvest them back to add to the compounding effect of your investments. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Instead, it's something that you build over years so that eventually the yield, the dividends that you get monthly, pay for your lifestyle. That's the idea. Be persistent, be consistent, and imagine a snowball rolling down the hill, and you invest in dividends, eventually it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. The longer you keep at it, the easier it gets. You may think, how do I buy these? It's very easy. If you can use a phone, you can buy these. Just download a broker such as Vanguard or Fidelity or Aegin, register, and off you go. It's literally that easy. If you found this helpful, see you in the next one.